Welcome to Thomas and Muse, and something a little bit different this time.
It's not different for us.
No, it's not. It's a never-ending thing. This is a part of Muse HQ that we haven't yet finished. There's a floor.
Don't jump too hard.
But the walls, they're still quite stony and need a bit filling in, I would say.
We need to put stuff in there. If we don't, this may fall down. One of the problems is things like that.
Bloody hell.
Can you see that?
Yes.
How many bags of mortar do you think we need? I'm thinking 10.
A lot, more than 10.
11?
Maybe like 12. So one of the really important parts of building work is writing down all the measurements and sums. So what have you...
I just drew a smiley face. I think we need to make a list.
Got wood? We need...
lot of wood.
Long wood.
I'm going to put little, like, things, indentations. That's very long. That's 3 meters. And I'm not even at the bottom.
You're not the...
It's over 3 meters.
But surely you need to measure to the bottom, otherwise you won't have the right length. Do they do 3 meter wood?
Have you seen those trees out there? 3.3
meters.
Oh, I didn't check. Wood. I think if we just order big wood, we can't go wrong. Hello, can I have 100 pieces of big wood, please? I think we need bits of little wood as well. We could just chop those trees down out there and try that.
I was going to go and get some essentials.
Yeah, I just want some big wood.
But somebody decided that today would be the right moment to order all the wood. This over there is a timber merchant.
The wood has arrived.
Oh, hang on, his big crane is going up. Some big wood coming our way.
It's being hoisted. Hope it doesn't fall off.
Shit. We're now gonna carry 1 each.
Yeah.
Ben's ahead of me, so I'm gonna go and get some wood. This is the wood. It's very tall, much taller than me.
Carry the fucking wood. Utter twat.
We are drilling some holes. I'm going to take you on a journey down some wood. Do you want to explain what you're actually doing now? Why are we drilling the wood?
Building.
Ben put those steels in. They're very, very big. He's drilling a hole in the wood because the wood has got to go on the steel and be bolted in so we can make some normal size walls that we can put stuff on and make the room warm. Almost tight squeeze that. So what are you doing now?
Sticking a thing up a thing. Like that.
I want to not chop this.
That's what you call a nut job. Oh God!
Fucking hell, I thought you were going to fall down the hole then. I would say that these are probably Ben's favourite tool. Yeah, why do you like the clamp so much?
Because they hold things.
It's doing a really good job here.
Just find a penny.
Penny? Is it a really old penny?
It's from 1990.
This, underneath the wood, is an 8 metre steel with 60 centimetre spacings in which, in the wood, there are M12 bolts. Witness the bolts. Those are the bolts there. They go the whole length along this very, very long, well, 8 metres steel. And there's the same the other side. It is softwood, although when I've bunked into it a few times, it has felt quite hard. And it's also CLS. Did I get that right?
Yes.
Right. So now we're going to bolt this down as well.
This place will be full of stud.
Sounds good to me, that does. So despite some of my ramblings where I say totally rubbish terms for things, we do actually know what we're doing.
What's going on here then? What are you doing? Nothing to say?
Odd.
Do you know what's going on?
Well, I can tell you what's going on. Somebody fancied a chocolate bar the other day.
I don't think we should say. I don't think we should say. No.
No, that's enough for now.